Did you drop your iPhone but just break the top glass? I'm going to show you how we do it for a very inexpensive price and the highest quality you can possibly get. Keep your Apple OLED 12, 13 series, 14 series, 15 series. Stay tuned. This is an iPhone 12 Pro screen. Just the top glass is cracked. The OLED screen is good. And this is an original Apple display. So you're keeping the original Apple OLED and touchscreen. We tape the screen where the glass is broken. The only thing we're going to need to replace this with is a new piece of glass and a new frame. We'll replace the frame because if we don't, the iPhone is not sealed properly. It comes up, peels off. We put this on a hot plate at about 100 degrees Celsius. It's almost there. And I generally use 0.02 wire. We got the glass off of this 12 Pro screen. We're going to put some 100% alcohol on the screen, heat this up a little, and clean it. Once clean, we can remove the frame around the screen and then laminate new glass and then glue on a new frame. Hey guys, update on the 12 here. We've got the screen clean. We have the glass off. We're getting ready to remove the frame. We'll do a final spot clean before we laminate it, obviously, but it's clean enough to remove the frame. That's kind of the goal right now. Getting ready to laminate this. We've got our glass here. Our screen is clean. It's going to go in our machine down here, our YMJ machine, and then in the debubbler. Pretty good right out of the laminator. Most of this is just the plastic that's under this, there like that. Still going to put it in the bubble remover, even though it doesn't really have any bubbles. We always do that to seal it nicely. Then we will show you how we cold press glue a frame on. Hey guys, so the last part of this would be to put cold press glue around the very tip of this frame, like right where that black is. Here's the screen all ready to go. And then we use cold press glue. And then once the screen is in here and we fit it and make sure it's secure, then we put in this clamp to dry for about 30 minutes, and then we're all done. So that's the whole process.